Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The slave behind Jack Daniel's whiskey recipe to receive new honor. Although Jasper Newton, Jack Daniel is credited with inventing Jack Daniels in the 19th century, the company revealed last year that Daniel learned the trade of whiskey making from a slave named Nathan, Uncle Nearest, Green.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Glenavon Special Liqueur Whiskey. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the oldest whiskey in the world is believed to be a bottle of Glenavon Special Liqueur Whiskey. Bottled by the Glenavon Distillery in Ballinderloch, Scotland, UK, the exact age of the bottle of whiskey is uncertain.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Nashville. Uncle Nearest Premium Whiskey is a brand of Tennessee whiskey produced by Uncle Nearest, Inc., headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee. The whiskey is named after the formerly enslaved man, Nathaniel Nearest Green, who taught a young Jack Daniel the craft of distilling.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.